With February being regarded as the month of love, some don't always get to be around their loved ones during this time. But for this group of kids in Bryan, that's not stopping them from honoring those who've taken the time to put others first. Take a look.
Students at Sul Ross Elementary began to gather, celebrating those who have put service above self. One student saying they enjoyed seeing all of the veterans that showed up.
When it showed all the veterans and the medical workers and like the firefighters, that was my favorite part.
For 24 years, educators at the school say students put on the Valentines for Veterans program, honoring each branch of the military for their past commitments to the country through songs, scenes, and what some admit is an overwhelming spectacle.
It started out kind of as an art project, actually, and the art teacher at the time, she was from a military family, and she kind of got this going, and someone said, hey, we need to take this school-wide.
More recently, that group of honorees has been expanding. Now first responders and healthcare workers have been included in the mix. One nurse who showed up says she couldn't be more grateful.
I thought it was amazing. I actually was a nurse here at Sul Ross Elementary for a little bit, and I actually went to school here as well, so I thought it was an honor.
And after the last few years of uncertainty and nurses having to navigate new territory with COVID patients, Blue says that although it's been a challenge, her heart remains in serving others.
It's been chaotic, it's been wild, but we're getting everything done and trying to control everything.
As for the big 25-year mark, the music teacher says she already has a few ideas in mind for next year's performance.
I may talk to mom and dad and see if we can't start working on a song that we can use next year and maybe highlight one of those gifts.
Little students sharing their gifts to those who live up to the title of a hero.
The students passed out Valentine's packages to the different groups that were there and concluded by thanking all of them for their service.